Presenting the Vivo Y72 5G smartphone. The smartphone comes in the color Prism Magic. It is also available in slate grey. Both the color variants are available with and without offers. The phone comes with an 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM internal memory that allows for easy multitasking. The 4GB of idle ROM space can be used as extended RAM to make switching between apps even smoother. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 5G on dual standby. The Vivo Y72 has a 6.58 inches FHD Plus LCD display with 2408 into 1080 pixels resolution that delivers vivid colors and clarity. Vivo Y72 has a 48MP plus 2MP rear camera and 8MP selfie camera. It features Super Night mode, which helps to capture vibrant picture at night by denoising the raw data directly. The Super HDR automatically accentuates the color in highlights, sharpens the detail and gives a pixel-perfect picture. Powered by Funtouch OS 11.1 based on Android 11 operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 octa-core processor. This makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. The phone has a 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery with 18 watts fast charge. The box includes handset, earphone, documentation, micro USB to USB cable Type-C, USB, power adapter, SIM ejector pin, protective case and a pre-applied protective film. This product comes with standard